I'm Sarah Haverstick, safety advocate with Evenflo. So you found the perfect car seat for the next decade of adventure with your little thrill seeker, but now you need to know how to install it. Well, you've come to the right place, because today I'm going to show you how to install the Evenflo EveryFit all-in-one car seat in rear-facing mode with seatbelt. Before we begin, please review the instruction manual and all labels on the car seat prior to use. To prepare the car seat, we'll need to move the lower anchors to the forward-facing belt path so they aren't in the way for your seatbelt installation. Detach each lower anchor connector from the side of the car seat. Unbuckle and loosen your harness. You will want to remove the soft goods so that you have easier access to the belt path. Move the lower anchors from the rear-facing belt path to the forward-facing belt path. Attach each lower anchor to the storage location on the side of the car seat. Lift up on the recline handle and tilt the car seat to one of 3 rear-facing recline positions. Place the EveryFit on your vehicle seat facing the rear of the vehicle. Make sure the car seat bottom sits flat on the vehicle seat. Check the recline angle indicator. The level line should be parallel to the ground. Route the vehicle seatbelt through the openings on the side of the car seat for the rear-facing belt path. And buckle the seatbelt. Check your vehicle owner's manual to determine how to lock your seatbelt for car seat installation. In many cases, you will pull out all of the shoulder belt webbing to switch to a locked mode. To tighten the seatbelt, place one hand in the center of the car seat, giving firm pressure. With the other hand, pull the shoulder belt towards you to remove slack. While tightening the seatbelt, slide the shoulder belt into the blue lock-off on the opposite side of the car seat from the seatbelt buckle. To check for tightness, grab the car seat at the belt path where you have it installed. It should not move more than 1 inch from side to side or front to back. It is important to check for movement right where you have the car seat installed. For rear facing, that means checking near your child's feet and not at their head. Make sure your child is reclined enough for their head to lie back comfortably and safely so they do not have difficulty breathing. Now you're ready for non-stop adventure. For any additional questions, all Evenflo car seats come with ParentLink customer service perks, like real-time chat support and free live video installation service. For more information, please visit evenflo.com.
The Graco Forever DLX 4-in-1 car seat is the only car seat you'll ever need, now upgraded with 3 new features for you. This 4-in-1 seat grows with your child, so you can enjoy 10 years of use with one seat from 4 to 120 pounds. It starts as a rear-facing harness from 4 to 40 pounds, then transitions to a forward-facing harness from 22 to 65 pounds. Next, it can be used as a high-back belt positioning booster from 40 to 100 pounds, and lastly, as a backless belt positioning booster from 40 to 120 pounds. It's the only car seat you'll ever need, upgraded with 3 new features for you: integrated belt lock-off, rapid remove cover, and fuss-free harness storage. And all of these great features make it comfortable for your child and convenient for you. This seat also meets Graco's Protect Plus engineered testing standard, which helps protect your little one in frontal, side, rear, and rollover crashes. The Graco Forever DLX 4-in-1 car seat is the only car seat you'll ever need, now upgraded with 3 new features for you and your child.